Cause I'm an island boy.
Oh, what's up? It's your boy DJ Nick Nasty, followed by your boy.
What's up, all things you already know.
And this is gonna be a quick Slushy XL episode. Little 45 North Brew. Shout them out real quick. Shout out Smart Time Liquor for supplying me. So we got the Slushy XL 45 North, and we got the motherfucking Wizard Blizzard. This one actually caught my eye for several reasons. This motherfucking Wizard looks wicked as fuck. Looks high as fuck. Nigga looks like he just put everything in a cup and said, I'm gonna drink it. Like I said, this is the Slushy XL. So let's go ahead and let's see what we got today. Ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this. Watch this. We got blueberry, okay, blackberry, vanilla soft serve ice cream, graham crackers, vanilla cream, lactose, and cream cheese. Whoa, looks good. Looks really fire. What do you think the color's gonna be on this one? It's gonna be pinkish.
Maybe, yeah, pinkish.
It's gonna be a thick one. It's been in the freezer, it's been chilling, lushy time. Oh man, yeah. Oh, it does smell good though. I'll tell you that, I smell it. You color it.
Oh wow. Oh wow. The colors be fucking me up.
Let's see what we got here going on. Ready for this?
I swear the colors be fucking me up.
Oh yeah, that's thick too. Kind of came out, kind of stopped. Just like this one is right now. Kind of slushed up.
It looks like they killed Barney and stuff this nigga in a can and squeezed the life out.
So let's see what we got going on. Shout out 45 North Beer. Oh, it smells pretty good though. Cheers. Can't lie, it's actually not that bad. It's a lot of the flavors it's supposed to give me are kind of deceiving on this one. There's a lot of blackberry.
Yeah. And the crazy thing about it, there's a lot of. It is sour.
This is sour.
You would expect it because it has a lot of cream.
Yeah. I was thinking more like a marshmallow type, like the mellows. You know, like that shit that they do have. The ship's going down, Pop. Ship's going down. We are in a crisis, but this is not that bad. It's actually really good. Shout out 45 North for the Slushy XL Wizard Blizzard, I believe. Make sure you guys go pick up a can. Yeah, it's cool. 1 to 10. I'm going to go ahead and I guess I'll put this at a solid 7. 5. 5 too? You got 5. I got 7, I guess. Works out.
Like I said, the palates of the tasting of the motherfucking each human's mouth, it's gonna be different. I think it was just deceiving to me because I was really expecting some. Oh, well, yeah, maybe cream cheese I'll taste. Okay, maybe cream cheese. I mean, hold on, let me taste it again. Hold on.
The thick parts are a little bit of fruit.
Taste cream cheese. I'll taste it now. But still, I'll give it a 5. Gave it a 7.
I'm at 7.
Keep it as that.
Shout out Slushy, XL, 5450 North. Want to pick one up today? Shout out Smart Time Liquor, your boy DJ Nasty.
What's up, 4 fingers?
The most craft reviews. I don't know what it is. Let's go.
We're going down, Captain!
Captain, take me to port. Take me to port. I got a rendezvous beyond my memory.